So you might be in a random situation where for some reason Instagram is not letting you post more than 10 photos on your Instagram account. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the main reason why something like this could end up happening is because within Instagram, you might have an outdated version of your Instagram application. But before testing that further, try reposting those photos. So click on the plus button at the bottom. What you want to do and you want to make sure is that you click on this two square button right here. Tap in these two squares, and all you're going to want to do is make sure you're selecting more than 10 photos. So right here, you can keep selecting photos. Then when you get to the 10th one, you can just try going through and selecting more. And you can see it might allow you to do it randomly. So you can see for me, it's allowing me to select more than 10 photos. So try doing that, and that might end up fixing the problem for you. Now, if you do that and that's not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing here for the most part is to actually just go through and try updating your Instagram application. So go inside of your iPhone app store like this, click on the search bar, and all you're going to want to do is tap and basically open up Instagram. So go into Instagram just like this, and you want to see if there's an update available for it. If there is an update available for it, all you're going to have to do is basically just tap onto that update, and you want to go and basically update your Instagram app. For a lot of people, that's probably all you're going to have to do, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation as well. If you do that and that's still not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to go ahead and just restart your phone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your phone, slide the power off, give it a few seconds. You want to try to see if that'll end up fixing the problem too. And that's another easy way of kind of going through and fixing this type of problem. So that's another way to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.